Hello health enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, one that has been making waves in the health and fitness community, the ketogenic diet. In this video we'll delve into the scientific wonders of the ketogenic diet, exploring its benefits, how it works, and the research behind its popularity. So if you're curious about how this diet can transform your health, keep watching. Before we dive into the science, let's understand what the ketogenic diet is all about. The ketogenic diet, or keto diet, is a low-carb, high-fat eating plan that encourages your body to enter a metabolic state known as ketosis. In ketosis, your body primarily burns fat for fuel instead of relying on carbohydrates. The magic behind ketosis lies in the way our body processes food. When you consume fewer carbohydrates, your insulin levels drop and your liver starts producing ketones from the breakdown of fats. These ketones become the primary energy source for your brain and body, promoting weight loss and other health benefits. One of the most popular reasons why people try the ketogenic diet is for weight loss. Studies have shown that being in a state of ketosis can effectually curb hunger, leading to a reduction in calorie intake. Plus, as your body relies on fat stores for energy, it naturally leads to fat burning and shedding those extra pounds. Did you know that a ketogenic diet may benefit individuals with type 2 diabetes? Research suggests that the diet can help improve insulin sensitivity, leading to better blood sugar control. However, if you have diabetes or any health condition, always consult your doctor before starting any diet. Beyond weight loss, the ketogenic diet may have cognitive benefits. Studies have indicated that ketones provide a more efficient energy source for the brain, potentially enhancing focus, mental clarity, and cognitive function. For all the athletes out there, you may be intrigued to know that some studies suggest the keto diet could boost endurance and athletic performance. By training the body to burn fat efficiently, athletes may experience enhanced levels of energy and prolonged endurance during workouts. Aside from its popularity in weight loss and athletic circles, the ketogenic diet is also being explored for its potential therapeutic applications. Some research studies suggest that the diet may help in managing epilepsy, Alzheimer's disease, and even certain types of cancer. However, more research is needed in these areas. As with any diet, there are concerns associated with a ketogenic diet, such as nutrient deficiencies, the keto flu, and potential long-term effects. It's essential to strike a balance, ensuring that you get a wide variety of nutrient-dense foods while on this eating plan. If you're considering starting the ketogenic diet, here are some essential tips to help you get started. First, focus on whole nutrient-dense foods such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and healthy fats. Second, stay hydrated and be mindful of your electrolyte levels. Lastly, be patient with yourself and give your body the time to adapt to this new way of eating. And there you have it, the scientific wonders of the ketogenic diet. From weight loss and better brain function to potential therapeutic application, the keto diet has garnered attention for all the right reasons. Remember though that each person's body is unique and what works for one might not work for another. If you're considering making any significant dietary changes, consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to find the best approach for your individual needs. Thank you for joining us today on this enlightening journey into the world of the ketogenic diet. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. As always, stay tuned for more science-backed content. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy.